Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study about limits of accuracy. Can you see the lecture on the screen?
Yes,
Okay. Exercise 3C, and today our topic is limits of accuracy. If a number or measurement has been rounded, it can be important to consider what possible values the exact value could have been. For example, if unit is 600 millimeter wide to the nearest 10 millimeter, it could actually be width of 595 millimeter up to 605 millimeter. It might not fit into a gap that is exactly 600 millimeter wide. To describe all the possible values that a rounded number could be, we use limits of accuracy. Class limits of accuracy. Limits of accuracy means uh, rounded off the figures. Okay, when we talk about limits of accuracy, it means we need to round it off the figures. मतलब हम लोग राउंड ऑफ करते हैं ना, जस्ट लाइक आपकी परसेंटेज है 78.6, 78.7, 78.9, so that will be considered as 79, right? 78.6, 78.9, consequently rounded off क्या हो जाएगी 79. Are you getting my point, student? आपको समझ आ रही है? उसके बाद, so this is the limit of accuracy, and limit of accuracy divide into two parts. Limit of accuracy के दो parts होते हैं. First is lower limit and second is upper limit. Okay, lower limit is the smallest value that would round up to the estimated value. So here, an upper limit is the smallest value that would round it up to the next estimate value. For example, a mass of 70 kg rounded to the nearest mass of 70 kg rounded to the nearest 10 kg has a lower limit 65 kg, because 65 is the smallest mass that round to the 70 kg. In easiest way, I'm going to explain. When we talk about limits of accuracy divide into two parts. Limit of accuracy किसमें divide हो जाती है? Two parts में. Two parts mean lower value, upper value. Two values. So here we have example 70 kg mass. 70 kg का mass है, and we will have to round it nearest 10 kg. हमें इसको कितने हिस्से में round off करना है? 10 kg में. 10 kg किस में divide हो जाएगा? 10 divided by 2, 5. How to solve? Just a second, class. Yes. Okay. Here we have 70 kg rounded to the nearest 10. So 10 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. Okay. You will for a higher limit, for upper limit, you will add the 70. 5 is 70. आप क्या करेंगे अपर लिमिट के लिए 70 में, for lower limit, yes, you will subtract 5 from 70 is equal to 65. Okay, and for upper limit you will add that number 70 plus 5 is equal to 75. Class, listen to me, very important topic. When you have when you will have a topic and you will have to round it the given number, just like here you have example, a mass of 70 kg rounded to the nearest 10 kg. So when we have given the limit is rounded the number 10 kg, okay, has a lower limit. So अब इसकी lower limit क्या है 65 and upper limit है 75. Because क्योंकि हमने 10 को we divided 10 by 2 parts, क्योंकि 2 parts हैं, lower limit, upper limit. Okay student, now for upper limit we add the 5 into 70 and lower limit add the subtract 5 from the 70. So here we will write, इसको लिखने का तरीका ये होता है 65 kg weight, 65 is actual weight हमारा क्या था 70. Okay, 70 is our actual weight, and less than 70 we have 65, and greater than 70 we have 75. So this is upper limit and this is lower limit. Okay, is there any problem in this question, class? Are you getting my point? Ishmael, Arsalan, Sameer, please
Yes.
try to be punctual. Okay.
मैं दोबारा समझाने में तभी क्लास ज्वाइन करिए.
Sameer, next time I will not revise this. So be careful about the timings and be punctual. Limits of accuracy. Limits of accuracy means if a number or measurement has been rounded. Rounded means, as I told it before, rounded off means we consider the equal whole number. Just like if you got the percentage 78.6, आपकी percentage 78.6 और 78.9 है आपकी previous exam में. Let's suppose if you got 78.9 or 78.8 percentage, so ये rounded off होके क्या हो जाएगी 79. Okay, 78.8 is equally approximate equal to 79 percentage. तो आपकी percentage क्या होगी 79. So this is rounded off figure example. So when we talk about limit of accuracy divide into two parts. First part is lower limit and the second is upper limit. Okay, lower limit means the smallest value that would round up to the estimated value. Means you have whatever you have given number, smaller than the given number is lower limit, and greater than the given number is upper limit. Just like let's see the example. You have example 70 kg of mass rounded to the nearest 10 kg. आपने इसको rounded किसके near करना है 10 kg. So you know the limits of accuracy have two parts. So 10 divided by 2. हमने क्या किया है इसको 10 को divide किससे कर दिया 2 से. 2 से divide किया तो आंसर क्या आया हमारे पास 2 1 जा 2, 2 5 जा 10. Add, if you when you add 5 in the 70 then it becomes 75. आप अपर लिमिट के लिए क्या करेंगे 70 में 5 को ऐड करेंगे, that will be the upper limit, and when you subtract 5 from the 70 that will be the lower limit. Here you can see this is the range, this is the way that you write the upper limit and lower limit, or other name of the upper limit is upper bound and lower bound. ठीक है, हम इसको अपर बाउंड और लोअर बाउंड भी कहते हैं. Is there any confusion, class? Okay, let's see the further question. Clear definition. अब हम इसकी clear definition देखते हैं. Limits of accuracy, a quick way to calculate upper and lower bounds. It's a bound. Okay. Lower and upper bound is to half the degree of accuracy specified. Means half का मतलब क्या है कि जो भी whatever the value we have given we divided it by 2. Half होती है, then add this to the rounded value and upper limit and subtract it from the rounded value is the lower limit. High के लिए आप क्या करेंगे, upper के लिए जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पर as we added the 5 in 70, so it becomes 75. This is our high upper limit, and when we subtract 5 from the 70 it is considered as lower limit, right class? So quick way to calculate upper and lower bound is to half the degree of accuracy. Half the degree of accuracy, then add to this rounded value upper limit and subtract it from rounded value for the lowest limit. Okay, let's see the example. हम इसके example देखते हैं ताकि आपको further clear हो जाए. Listen very carefully, very important topic. work out, just a second class. Okay, work out the smallest possible measurement and biggest possible measurement for the following examples. Okay, अब आपके सामने कुछ I am representing some examples in front of you. So here we have 32 centimeters measured to the nearest centimeter. 32 centimeter को आपने measure करना है nearest centimeter. Centimeter mean when there is no number is given, it means 1 centimeter. Okay. The degree of accuracy, you have question 32 centimeter and measure to the rounded 1 centimeter. आपने इसको measure किस में करना है? 1 centimeter में. Centimeter, degree of accuracy is to the 1 centimeter. Okay, class, you have question 1 centimeter. यहाँ पे आपको 1 centimeter दिया हुआ है and you know that हम limits of accuracy की बात करें, we are talking. So limits of accuracy consist of two parts. So we will divide one by 2. हम 1 को किससे divide कर देंगे? 2 से. It becomes 0.5. Very easy. For upper limit, you will add 0.5 with 32, and for lower limit, you will subtract 0.5 from 32. When you add 32 plus 0.5, it becomes 32.5. And when you add 32, when you subtract 0.5 from 32, it becomes 31.5. Students, are you getting my point? Yes, Ishmael, are you getting my point? Hello, Ishmael, can you hear me? Okay, I'm giving you another question. Let's suppose I am giving you 56, okay, 55. Let's suppose I am giving you 55 centimeter and measured, just a second class, and measured okay, 55 centimeter, you will have to measure up into nearest. आपने इसको nearest measured करना है nearest 10 centimeter. Okay, you have given question 55 centimeter और आपने इसको measure करना है 10 centimeter में. So here you have degree of accuracy is, आप लिखेंगे, you will write degree of accuracy. Very easy question. Degree of accuracy. Please don't touch the screen. Degree of accuracy. See the question very carefully. Degree of accuracy हमें कितने given है class? 10 centimeter. Okay. The bracket is ये condition जो given condition in the bracket is the degree of accuracy. So as you know that degree of accuracy has two parts, upper limit and lower limit, and we sometimes call bounds. Divided by 2, it becomes 5. According to the definition, quick way to calculate upper and lower bound is to half the degree of accuracy. ये देखिए हमने half से degree of accuracy को half से divide कर दिया. Half mean divided by 2. Now for upper limit, you will add the 5. You will add 55 with 5. Okay, it is upper limit. It becomes 60. It becomes 60. Okay, and when you subtract 5 from 55, it become, yes class, 55 minus 5 become 50.
50.
So this is the reason. Okay, now you will write it into the range as like 60. No, wait a minute, here we have mistake. Okay, Now you can see that I'm going to make a range 50. This is lower limit, and then the given number we have 55, and then greater than 60. Okay, class? And when we talk about the range, ये इस तरह से लिखा जाएगा less than equal to. This is lower bound, this is upper bound, and this is the original value, given value in the question. Is there any confusion, class? What you have to do?
No.
55 centimeter, you will have to round it nearest 10 centimeter. So divide it by whatever the number you have given in the bracket, just divide it by 2. हमने इसको 2 से divide करना है. Always remember this. And you know that 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. Round of accuracy, degree of accuracy, you got 5. And for upper limit, you will add the number with given number, and for lower limit, you will subtract the achieved number from the to the given number. तो given number है, उसमें जो आपने नंबर ये वाला आपको नंबर मिला है, आपने अचीव किया, इसको माइनस करवा देंगे. और लोअर नंबर को आप पहले लिखेंगे, मिड में आप गिवन वैल्यू लिखेंगे जो आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, और एंड में आप वो वैल्यू लिखेंगे जो आपको आपकी हायर वैल्यू आई है. इज देयर एनी कंफ्यूजन?
No.
No.
Okay, let's see another question, another example, then we will solve exercise 3C inshallah.
Yes.
You have given 140 centimeter to the nearest 20 centimeter. Yes, class. 1 centimeter, 40 centimeter measured to the nearest 10 centimeter. Very easy question. As I told you, here you have given 10. You will have to measure this value, or you will have to make a upper bound and lower bound measured to the nearest 10 centimeter. Again, we will divide the 10 centimeter with 2, because it has degree of accuracy has 2 parts, divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So here 5 centimeter for upper limit, you will add 5 with 140. Lower limit, you will add subtract 5 from 140. Is there any confusion, class?
No.
Okay, let's suppose I am
No.
if I change the question with the, let's suppose I am giving you one no, I am giving you 160. It's a 160, and measured value you have given, and measured you have given, and you will tell me the upper and lower limit of the given value. Okay, measured to the nearest, I'm giving you 20 centimeter. Yes, class. अब बताइए मुझे. And please remember, first before this, you will make sure that the units are same or not. ये जो units आपको given है ना class, ये same होने चाहिए. If units are not same, then you will have to convert the meter into centimeter, centimeter into meter. We solve it later. अच्छा, ये दोनों same होंगे, then you will solve it easily. Okay, 160 centimeter and measured to the nearest 20 centimeter. क्या करेंगे? We will what we degree of accuracy we have given. Degree of accuracy हमें कितने given है class? Yes, class. This is the degree of accuracy. This value is in question number in this example. What is the degree of accuracy? Degree of accuracy.
20.
Yes, very good. Degree of accuracy you have given.
20.
Yes, class. 20 centimeter. What? 20 centimeter. Second part of the question, in which you have mentioned measure to the nearest. It is considered as degree of accuracy, and you will divide degree 20. Divide किससे करेंगे? By which number you will divide 20? 20 को किस number से divide करेंगे?
160.
160.
No, 2.
2. Because degree of accuracy has 2 because it's a half degree. Okay, 2 divided by 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are
20.
okay. And then for upper limit, add 10. Upper limit, I am writing short way. UL means upper limit. Okay, class. And L dot L means lower limit, or sometimes you call lower bound, upper bound. Okay. Lower limit, you will add 160. अब ये देखिए, अब ये ओरिजिनल वैल्यू क्वेश्चन की, एंड आई एम एडिंग द degree of accuracy, and for lower limit you will add 160 minus 10. Is there any confusion, class?
No.
No.
It become 170, it become 170, and it become 150. okay, तो हमारी रेंज क्या आ गई? 150 लेस देन इक्वल टू 160 लेस देन 170. डन क्लास?
Yes.
फॉर्म में भी ले सकते हैं क्वेश्चंस. ओके, यहाँ तक क्लियर है? तो लेट्स सॉल्व अनदर क्वेश्चन. 8.4 centimeter measured to the nearest 0.1 centimeter. So round degree of accuracy you have given 0.1 divided by 2, it becomes 0.05. upper limit बताइए जल्दी से इसकी क्या होगी? By yourself. Just add the number. 8.4. Use 8.4 for upper limit. You will add 8.4 plus 0.05. Okay, and subtract the number. 8.4 minus 0.05 and use calculator and use give the answer of this question. Okay class, आपका आंसर आपको मिल जाएगा. So let's move toward the next question. ये आप खुद कीजिएगा solve. I'm giving you as a homework. Next question, next topic we have upper and lower bound. It is same as the upper limit and the lower limit. Upper and lower bound. When more than one value in calculation has been rounded, the upper for each value should be used in calculator to find greater and least possible value can take. Okay, as I told you before, upper value is the when you add the number, when you add the degree of accuracy in the given number, this is upper bound. Okay, when you subtract the degree of accuracy from the given number, this is lower limit. Done? ये हमारी upper limit और lower limit होती हैं. Is there any confusion?
No.
Okay, let's solve the questions and problems of here you have given state the upper and lower bound of each of the following numbers are rounded as in given bracket. क्लास इसमें आपको क्वेश्चन में आपको गिवन है 5140 एंड इसको आपको राउंड ऑफ करना है 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स तक का. 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स में आपने इसको क्या करना है? ये क्वेश्चन डिफरेंट है जो अभी हमने अपर सॉल्व किए. दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्वाइट डिफरेंट. 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. ओके, सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स अब यहाँ पे क्या है क्लास? It's a 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 significant figures. कितने significant figures हैं? Significant figures जो होते हैं ना, वो हम use करते हैं degree of accuracy मालूम करने के लिए, round off करने के लिए. Okay, this is there are 4 significant figures. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third number पे कौन सा है? यहाँ से 1, 2, 3, 4. अब ये देखिए ये कौन सी 5, 1, 4, 0. So here we have given third significant figure. थर्ड सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर पर हमारे पास क्या गिवन है क्लास? यस क्लास, Okay. No, sorry class, I am on telling you something. There is mistake. Okay, in my explaining. Okay, there are 3 significant figures in this question. यहाँ पे कितने figures हैं आपके पास? 3 significant figures हैं. 0 is not considered a significant figure. 0 जो है ना count नहीं किया जाएगा. Here you have 1, 2, 3 non-zero digits are significant figures. यहाँ पर point के बगैर, decimal के बगैर कितने figures हैं आपके पास? 3 significant figures हैं. 4, 1, 5. 4, 1, 5. अब ये देखिए 5, 1 एंड 4. ये आपके पास कौन सी पोजीशन पे है? यूनिट. ये कौन सी पोजीशन पर है? 10 पर. एंड दिस इज ऑन द पोजीशन ऑफ 100. कौन सी पोजीशन पर है ये? 100 पर. तो यहाँ पर अब आप देखिए, आपको राउंड ऑफ करना है 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर को. तो हेयर अब आप मुझे बताइए, इन चारों में से 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर आपको करना है. तो थर्ड नंबर पे कौन सा फिगर आ रहा है यहाँ पे? वैसे इसमें 1 आ रहा है. 1 कौन सी प्लेस पर है? 10 पर. सो डिवाइड 10 by 2 and then it become 2 1 जा 2, 2 5 जा 10 और ऐड कर देंगे आप इसमें. तो आपका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 5140 को इससे ऐड कर देंगे, आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. और माइनस कर देंगे तो आपका लोअर लिमिट आ जाएगी. इज देयर एनी कंफ्यूजन क्लास?
No.
ओके.
No, ma'am.
ओके डियर, आई एम गिविंग यू अनदर क्वेश्चन. हम दूसरा क्वेश्चन करते हैं. ये ना, ये वाले सवाल हम चेंज कर देते हैं यहाँ से ताकि आपको प्रॉब्लम ना हो. वेट अ मिनट, आई एम चेंजिंग द क्वेश्चन टू एक्सप्लेन इन अ मोर कन्वीनियंट वे. अब हम इसको ना, मैं इसको दूसरे तरीके से आपको दूसरे क्वेश्चन देती हूँ. जस्ट लाइक 4.6 आपको गिवन है और आपको गिवन है 0.73. ओके, एंड देन यू हैव गिवन 680. And then next question you have given 1000. Okay, now class, first of all, first question you have, first part, question number 1, first part you have given 4.6. 4.6 के आपको क्या करनी है? 2 significant figures तक राउंड ऑफ करना है. ओके, 4.6 2 significant figures तक आपके पास क्या है क्लास? There are 2 digits in the question. कितने डिजिट्स हैं हमारे पास क्वेश्चन में? 2. लेकिन बट देयर इज अ डेसिमल पॉइंट इन बिटवीन द डिजिट्स. यहाँ पर क्या है गिवन हमारे पास? क्या इन्वॉल्व क्या है हमारे पास? डेसिमल पॉइंट. सेकेंड फिगर, अब जब व्हेन द डेसिमल इज इन्वॉल्व, दिस इज काउंट, वी स्टार्ट काउंटिंग फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. दिस इज फर्स्ट डिजिट एंड दिस इज सेकेंड डिजिट. राइट क्लास? आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? Very important. When the decimal is involved between the numbers, then we start counting from left. तो हम left से start करते हैं. Are you getting my point, students?
Yes.
Okay. There are 2 digits. So here you have second significant figure. Second significant figure आपके पास क्या है? 6. We will write it 0.1. हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? 0.1. and you know divided by 2. ये हम लिमिट कर रहे हैं. डिवाइड इट बाय 2. जब आप 0.1 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, then let me solve with the help of calculator. 0.1 divided by 2, it becomes 0. Don't need to worry about it. I'll give you another example also related to this topic. It becomes 0.05. For upper limit, क्या करेंगे? next step क्या होगा? You will add the 0.05 with 6. And then इसके बाद इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा क्लास? Class, can you tell me? 0.05 plus 4.6, it become 4.65. 4.65. Done, class? And for upper limit, for lower limit, you will subtract 4.6 minus 0.05. When you subtract 0.05 from 4.6, it become answer you will get 4.55 minus 4.6, it become 4.5 and then 5. Is there any confusion, class?
No.
Yes, Ishmael, Arsalan.
Yeah.
दोबारा समझाती हूँ. Okay, I'm giving you another example. Let's suppose I have 1.7. Okay, and you have question. Each of the following 2 decimal.
Hello.
कहाँ तक करना है? करेक्ट करना है. करेक्ट 2 decimal places. Correct 2 decimal places. Okay, class? 2 decimal places तक हमें ये करेक्ट करना है. So here, this is given in question, the condition which I am writing, 2 decimal place. 1.7. So here 7 is on the second number. Before 7 point we have decimal point. हम इसको किस तरह लिखते हैं? Very easy. इसको हम कंसिडर करेंगे 0 एंड इसको हम कंसिडर करेंगे 7 को 1. Is there any confusion? Listen to me very carefully. Decimal places, 2 decimal places की बात हो रही है, तो we will write 0.1 and then divided by 2. Okay, and then it become 0.05. Done? Are you getting my point, students?
Yes.
Okay. अब यहाँ पर देखें क्लास, there are 2 digits in this question and जो सेकेंड डेसिमल पॉइंट के आंसर पूछ रहे हैं वो, तो फर्स्ट वाला क्या हो जाएगा 0 और ये वाला क्या हम लिखेंगे 1. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? ओके, नाउ 0.1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इट बिकम 0.05. ऐड कर दीजिए इसमें, तो ये बन जाएगा जो भी हमारे पास आंसर आएगा 0.05 प्लस 1.7. आंसर हमारे पास आएगा 1.75. अपर लिमिट और लोअर लिमिट इसकी हो जाएगी 1.5 माइनस 0.05, 1.7 माइनस 0.05, इट बिकम 1.65. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, स्टूडेंट? यहाँ तक क्लियर है आपको?
Yes.
Yes, Ishmael, Arsalan and other students. Okay, next question you have, next part you have given. क्लास हमारे पास नेक्स्ट पार्ट है. अच्छा जी, अब 0.73. Yes, student, 0.73. How many digits are there? Significant figures में कितने हैं? Okay, listen to me, class. Before point, if the number digit is 0, अगर point से पहले हमारे पास 0 है, so this is not the significant figure. ये significant figure नहीं है. यहाँ पर हमारे पास कितने digits होंगे? हम कहेंगे there are 2 significant figures. Okay, यहाँ पे हमारे पास कितने significant figures हैं? Only 2, 7 and 3. The non-zero digits are significant figures. So here हमारे पास कितने figures हैं? 2 figures हैं. 0 is not considered as significant figure. Okay. Second वाला क्या है हमारे पास क्लास? This is considered as 1 and this is considered as 2. अब हमारे पास यहाँ पर सेकंड नंबर पर सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर क्या है क्लास? कैन यू टेल मी?
2.
Again, divide it by 0. No, it is considered as 1 significant. It is considered as 2. 0.01 divided by 2. ओके, अब हमारे पास आंसर क्या हो जाएगा इसका? 0.01 divided by 2. It becomes 0.0005. अब आप इसको इससे ऐड कर दें तो आपकी अपर लिमिट आ जाएगी, और 10 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो आपके पास लोअर लिमिट आ जाएगी. टू सॉल्व द हम इसको फर्दर क्लियर करते हैं. बहुत ही आसान एग्जांपल है. 680 बताएंगे. अब आपने इसको 2 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स तक कन्वर्ट करना है. आई एम गिविंग यू क्वेश्चन. आपने इसको 2 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स तक लिखना है. 2 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स तक इसका आंसर बताना है. ओके, ये आपके पास क्वेश्चन है. 680. यस क्लास, अब आप बताइए इसमें कितने फिगर्स हैं? पॉइंट इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है. देयर इज नो डेसिमल पॉइंट, सो यू विल राइट देयर आर 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. 3 डिजिट्स हैं इसमें. 1 2 and it is 3. 0 is after the non-zero digit, so it is considered as 3. It is also considered as the significant figure. 680. 2 significant figures क्लास 8 सेकंड वाला है. सेकंड नंबर कौन सी पे? यूनिट 10 100. तो यहाँ पर सेकंड सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर कौन सी पोजीशन पर है? 10th की पोजीशन. Here divide 10 by 2. It become 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10. 680 plus 5. It is upper bound, and 680 minus 5. Yes class, it become 685 and it becomes 675. 685 and 75. Yes class, any problem?
No.
I am telling you, you will have to tell me 2 significant figure तक इसका आंसर देना है आपको.